Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel? I got the East Coast feel, West Coast feel. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel the East Coast feel. Say what?
Guys, it's me, Lydia Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, we are doing the easiest smoky eye tutorial ever. We are not using a ton of products. We're using one dark eyeshadow and one neutral eyeshadow and some mascara or your lashes, and that's really it. You can do the smoky eye in 10 minutes. It's so easy. I promise you, it is so easy. So if you want to see how I do my super easy smoky eye, I hope that you will keep watching. Hi to my new subscribers. I see y'all. It is so good to have so many of y'all joining the beauty family. I really appreciate it, and thank you to you all who have already booked your February appointments for my one-on-one beauty consultation services. I'm shocked, but I'm not shocked. Like, I'm very happy that I have this to offer you all, and I'm also very happy to have a client. Like, a client is like, y'all are booking appointments. My mind is blown. If you haven't booked yours yet, feel free to do so. The description is right here in the link is the first one in my description box. Go ahead and click that and book your one-on-one makeup consultation with me. But for now, let's go ahead and get into this very easy, super simple, beginner-friendly smoky eye tutorial. So to start out on the smoky eye, I'm going to be using this palette from Juvia's Place. It has a lot of dark browns in it, and a smoky eye doesn't just have to be black or gray. You can do a smoky eye with purple, with browns, anything like that. A green smoky eye is always very pretty, and I'm going to be using this one because I want to go in and do a dark brown smoky eye. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this color right here. Just a little bit of that, and I'm going to take this on a small pointed crease brush from Morphe. This is the Morphe brush number M506. And so when I started, my eyes already prepped, I'm sorry, with the MAC Paint Pot and Painterly and a little bit of the Morphe eyeshadow primer. So I've already prepped and primed my eyes, and we're going to go in and start with this Juvia's Place dark chocolate shadow. What I like to do is start in the middle of my lid versus at the end like I normally would start in the corner. But for this type of look, I'm going to take my brush, and let me zoom you guys in just so, let me see. There you go, so you can see. And I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to do like this. And see how much pigment you get on there anyway. And then I'm just going to start blending it softly with the same brush and just blending it out. Normally you would blend your eyeshadows once you have everything placed and blend them together. But with this soft smokiness, you're just going to blend it as you go because you want to be able to control where you place the dark color. And for this type of smoky eye, I'm applying the dark color on the lid. A typical smoky eye would be a dark color here, something bright or a little brighter on the lid, and then neutral in the crease. But this is the easiest smoky eye ever. So we're just going to have this one color on our eyelid, and we're going to keep it nice and neat and just blend that right in the middle of the eyelid. Now that I have that placed, I'm going to take a softer blending brush, just a little one. This is from e.l.f. And I'm just going to take that and just start, this little piece of lock is getting on my nerves. Okay, I'm going to take this and just softly blend it. I'm going to keep the eyeshadow in the same place. And again, you can use a lighter shade of brown if you want. You can do a black. You can do this with eyeshadow. It doesn't have to be, you know, this dark if you don't want it, but I like this type of smoky eye because it doesn't require a lot. And so with this blending, I'm just softening out that chocolatey shade, and I'm just making it soft and taking it down to my lash line right there. Okay. As a tip, if you are someone who has hidden lids, meaning when you open your eyes, you can't see this part of your eyelid, you can only see the top part, and you know if you have hidden lids or you know if you have smaller eyelids, you're going to want to put your eyeshadow not as low as I did, but you're going to want to put yours like right here just a little bit right there so that you can still see the shadow when you open your eyes. That's just a tip if you have hidden lids, but I have a larger eye, so I like to place mine right on my eye. So I have this brown shadow placed on my left eye as well, and I'm just following the same process, and I'm keeping it right on the lower level in the middle of my eyelid, and I'm just gonna let that be the base for this. This eyeshadow is so dark brown, it almost looks black. But the key is to keep blending it until it is nice and soft. And I have just a little bit here. And then I'm gonna go in again with the e.l.f. brush on this side and just blend that in until you get it to the nice softness that you want it to be. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't have to be like, I mean, you can leave it like this, which I'm almost done, but until you get it to the softness, a lot of people would like to diffuse it out, but also I'm using a really dark color. So just keep blending until you get the softness or the desired look, but you want to take a fluffy brush, not too tight on the brush, kind of hold it loose and then blend it out. You can either do this, but I prefer to kind of do it in a circle to kind of keep the shadow right where it is. That's just my preference. Just to add a little bit of transition shade, I'm going to take this soft taupe color right here and just kind of blend that right into my crease, not messing up this dark shadow at all, just giving it just a little bit of contrast. And I'm using a short, dense brush like this. And I'm just going to keep that like right here to kind of soften up the edges of that dark brown. Can you guys see that? I think you can. I hope so. And then take it to the outer edge and do the same and go like that. And just to give it a little softness in the crease. At this point, you can add your eyeliner on the bottom and the top lash. So I'm going to take a little bit more of that same brownish black powder, and I'm taking a flat smudger brush like so, and I'm just going to take it right there. And I'm going to keep it right here. I'm not going to drag it all the way over. I'm going to let it connect with the corner of that eyeshadow. Just like that. Let's do the other eye. I'm going to do the left eye with an actual eye pencil, because if you're someone who have sensitive eyes, or your eyes run, or you sneeze or something, doing your eyeliner first with an eye pencil and then going over it with your eyeshadow will help it last longer. I don't know why I didn't do that on the first eye, but let's just roll with it. Okay, and the great thing about eyeliner is that if it smudges, you can make it just look like it was supposed to be that way anyway. So I had a brown liner. This one is from Sephora, and I'm just going to go over with a teeny tiny bit of that shadow and just smudge it out just like I did this one, but only with eyeshadow over here. And that's that. Alright, so I went ahead and added some mascara. I do not have any lashes still. And I keep saying that when I go back to the beauty supply store, I'm going to pick up some lashes or some wispies from Ulta something, because this look definitely needs a lash or just 2 coats of mascara, which is what I did with the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. But that's really the look. Like, I like this a lot because it's not closing in all the way under. If I lined all the way up here, to me it would be too much. But like I said, you can do this look with a brown, like a softer brown, a purple, something dark on your lids, and something nice and neutral right above it, just to blend it all together. A little eyeliner, and that is your smoky eye. It didn't take long. It doesn't take much. We use one color, 2 eyeshadows, but one main color and some eyeliner and lashes. You can literally do this look in like 10 minutes. So if you want the easiest smoky eye, I feel like this is the easiest way to get it. And it's so sultry and so grown up. Like, I would wear this in the daytime. I have no problem with that, honey, because I'm a little extra, but you know, that's just me. But I really like how, you know, to do this as a beginner, you don't have to do a lot to get a smoky eye, which is the entire point of this video. So you guys, make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know if this was an easy eye for you. I hope that you grabbed your brushes. If you were not able to, you can go ahead and book your one-on-one consultation with me. We can sit down together on Google Meets or FaceTime and do this together step by step so you can nail your soft smoky eye. Even any type of eyeshadow look that you want, really, those are the type of services that I'm offering through my beauty consultation business. So go ahead and book your appointment down below. It is the first link right in the description box. And hi, I see y'all. I saw y'all that booked an appointment already for February. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to serve you guys in a one-on-one capacity. So thank you so much for your support. Let me know how you like this video by giving it a thumbs up. And if you made it this far in the video, you might as well go ahead and subscribe, honey. Join the beauty fam. It's so many new faces over here and I just love it. Thanks again, you guys, for tuning in. And I will see y'all back here very, very soon. Bye.